welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how I create my Valentine's Day look using affordable products. I have some L'Oreal, I have some Milani, and I do have some Maybelline products I'll be sharing with you guys today. And this is the look that I came up with. So if you guys do like this channel and you guys are interested in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're interested in how I created this look, keep on watching. Oh, and this. Okay, you guys, to start off this makeup look, I'll be using some hair clips to pin back my hair to get them out of the face and out of the way. Starters, I'll be using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline to prime and smooth out my skin and have it ready for foundation. So in this clip, I didn't show what I used on my brows just because it wasn't drugstore related, but I will leave the link down below if you're interested in how I did my brow routine. I'm going to go in with my ULTA Color Correct Concealer Palette and use the shade Light to help color correct my under eyes and above my upper lip. To conceal, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'll be using a Dampen Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend that out. For foundation, I'll be mixing the Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 108 and the Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 208 to get my perfect finish. So whatever is left on my beauty blender, I like to bring it down to my neck so I have no line of demarcation. Ooh, this thing is light, but it's okay because we'll be using it as our highlight. We'll be using the Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio in the shade 30 Light Medium. This will also act as our primer for eyeshadow. Now it's time to bake the face. I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Banana Yellow on the areas that we highlighted. To set the face, I'll be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent with a Real Techniques powder brush. To bronze, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in the shade Caramel, and I'll be applying this to the temples of my forehead, cheekbones, and jawline. To bring some color back into the face, I'll be using the Palladio Matte Blush in the shade Toasted Apricot, and I'll be blending that in with my bronzer. To highlight the face, I'll be going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and I'll be applying this to the high points of the face, cheekbones, tip of the nose, chin, and above the brows. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Maybelline City Mini Palette, and I'll be using the top right-hand corner color as our transition shade. Using a transition shade will help the colors blend seamlessly while going in with darker shades. Next, I'll be going into that mauve rose color and I'll be adding that to the outer corner of the eyes. I'll be going in circular and window wiper motions to blend that out. To deepen the look a little bit more, I'll be applying that chocolate Swiss color to the corner of the eye. I'll be going back in with that transition shade to blend out those harsh edges. For our lid color, I'll be going in with a Maybelline eyeshadow in the shade Glow Down, and I'll be applying this with my finger. Applying this with my finger will help the eyeshadow apply more vibrantly. Now I'm just going to go back in with my fluffy brush and I'm going to make sure all those edges are blended out seamlessly. I'm going to go back in with that chocolate Swiss color and add that to my lower lash line. To blend those rough edges out, I'll be going back in with that rosy mauve color. Now we're going to go ahead and line the upper lash line. Using an eyeshadow will help the liner give it a softer look. Next, we're going to go in with the lightest shade in the palette and use that as our brow bone highlight. For mascara, I'll be going in with the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I'll be applying even coats to my bottom and top lashes. For lashes, I'll be going in with my Ardell Studio Effects. And the glue I will be using is the Duo Brush-On Adhesive. To finish off this look, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Amazonian. To lock our makeup in place, I'll be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And that's a wrap, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my Valentine's Day tutorial using drugstore products. I hope you guys have a memorable Valentine's Day, whether it's with your significant other or not. If there's any other videos you guys want to see on this channel, please like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye!